Hello, everybody. Welcome to my lesson, day 78. Bugungi o'rganadigan so'zlarimiz ro'yxati. So, we are going to learn hotel, motel, inn, send, sender, real, really, reality, see, present. Today's daily quote. A goal not written down is just a wish. Ya'ni tarjimasi yozilmagan maqsad bu shunchaki istakdir. Agar siz hayotda oldingizga biror maqsad yoki maqsadlar qo'ygan bo'lsangiz, albatta buni qog'ozga yozib qo'yishni unutmang. Qog'ozga yozgan paytda o'zingizda boshqacha kuch topib, shu maqsad sari erishish uchun yanada ko'proq harakat qilasiz. Agar u yozilmasa, shunchaki istak bo'lib qolib ketaveradi. Bugungi monolog. Monologlarni yodlab qo'yamiz. My day, meaning kunim. I wake up early in the morning and get ready for school. I have breakfast with my family and then go to school with my bag. At school, I study, read, write, and talk with my friends during the lesson and in the break. After school, I go home, do my homework, and sometimes play games. In the evening, I relax, spend time with my family, and go to bed early. Bu yerda break bu tanaffus degani. In the break tanaffusda. Bugungi o'rganadigan birinchi so'zimiz yoki so'zlarimiz. Hotel bu mehmonxona degani. Shunga o'xshab motel va inn degan so'zlar ham mehmonxona degan ma'noni bildiradi. Hotel bu ko'proq kiraverishda katta foyesi bo'lgan kattaroq binoga nisbatan hotel ishlatiladi. Motel bu ko'proq yo'l bo'yida joylashgan kichkina mehmonxonalarni motel deymiz. Ya'ni motellar ko'proq eshiklari tashqari tomondan bo'ladi har bir xonaga. Inn bu ham motelning biror ko'rinishi. Ya'ni kichikroq mehmonxona bu inn. Resort bu dam olish maskani yoki kurort degani. Ya'ni resort bilan hotelning farqi, resortda dam olish joylari, basseyn va shunga o'xshagan ko'proq narsalar mavjud. Stay at a hotel bu mehmonxonada qolmoq degani. Book a hotel bu mehmonxonani bron qilmoq degani. Biz aeroport yaqinidagi mehmonxonada qoldik. We stayed at a hotel near the airport. We stayed at a hotel near the airport. We stayed at a hotel near the airport. Ular mehmonxonada xonani 2 kechaga bron qilishdi. They booked a room at the hotel for 2 nights. Bu yerda book bron qilmoq degani. Biz oldin book ya'ni kitob so'zini o'rgandik. Fe'l shaklida to book bu bron qilmoq degani. Mehmonxona yoki biror biletni. Book a room xonani bron qilish. They booked a room at the hotel for 2 nights. They booked a room at the hotel for 2 nights. Bu mehmonxonada xonalar har kuni tozalanadi. Bu yerda passivdan foydalaning. The rooms are cleaned every day in this hotel. Bu yerda are cleaned bu pasif, tozalanadi. The rooms are cleaned. Bu yerda are cleaned present simple. Çünkü xonalar har doim tozalanadi, har kun. Ya'ni bu hozirgi oddiy zamon, present simple. The rooms are cleaned every day in this hotel. Biz motelga kelishimizdan oldin xona tozalangan edi. Bu yerda ham passivdan foydalanamiz, lekin o'tgan zamonda. The room was clean before we arrived the motel. Bu yerda was cleaned tozalandi. O'tgan zaman. Demak, passivda is cleaned desak, har kun tozalanadi yoki har doim. Ya'ni to be ni hozirgi zamon shaklini ishlatamiz. Agar to be ni o'tgan zamon shakli ishlatilsa, was yoki were cleaned tozalangan edi. The room was cleaned before we arrived the motel. The room was cleaned before we arrived the motel. Motelda xona tozalanmoqda. Bu hozirgi davomli zamon. Bunda ham passivdan foydalanamiz. The room is being cleaned in the motel. Bu yerda is being cleaned tozalanmoqda degan. Demak, is cleaned bu tozalanadi har doim. Agar being qo'shilsa, is being cleaned hozir tozalanmoqda. Ya'ni bu present continuous. The room is being cleaned in the motel. The room is being cleaned in the motel. Ular asal oyini tog'dagi kurortda o'tkazishdi. They spent their honeymoon at a mountain resort. Bu yerda spend sarflamoq yoki o'tkazmoq degan. Honeymoon bu asal oyi. Biz oldin honey so'zini o'rgandik, bu asal degani. Moon bu osmondagi oy. Birgalikda honeymoon asal oyi. Resort bu kurort. Mountain resort bu tog'dagi kurort. They spent their honeymoon at the mountain resort. They spent their honeymoon at a mountain resort. Sayohatchilar ko'pincha yo'l bo'yidagi mehmonxonalarda to'xtashadi. Travelers often stop at roadside inns. Bu yerda traveler bu sayohatchi degani. Travel so'zidan kelib chiqadi. Biz oldin travel so'zini o'rgandik, ya'ni sayohat qilmoq. Traveler sayohatchi. Roadside yo'l bo'yi. Demak, ikkita so'zdan tashkil topgan. Road yo'l, side yoni. Roadside yo'l bo'yi yoki yo'lni yonida degani. In bu hotelning kichkina shakli in. Ko'pincha yo'l bo'yida joylashadi. Travelers often stop at roadside inns. Travelers often stop at roadside inns. Keyingi so'zimiz send. Yubormoq, jo'natmoq. Send. Sender bu jo'natuvchi degani. Resend qayta jo'natmoq. Send bu noto'g'ri fe'l. O'tgan zamonda sent d harfi t ga almashadi. Ikkinchi va uchinchi shakli bir xil. Send, sent, sent. Sent sifat bo'lib kelsa, jo'natilgan degani. Unsent jo'natilmagan degani. Send back qaytarib jo'natib yubormoq. Send over jo'natib yubormoq. Men sizga faylni yuboraman. I will send you the file. Bu yerda file deb tarjima qilinadi. Bu gapni ikki xil aytish mumkin. I will send you the file yoki I will send the file to you. Agar object, ya'ni yuborilayotgan narsa send so'zidan keyin kelsa, ikkinchi gapga o'xshab I will send the file kimgaligini to bilan beramiz. To you, senga. Agar senga so'zi send so'zidan keyin ishlatilsa, unda to ishlatilmaydi. I will send you. Sizga jo'nataman nimani? The file. Yoki I will send the file to you. Email egasiga yuboriladi. Bu yerda ham passivdan foydalanamiz. Present simple da. The email is sent to the owner. Bu yerda passiv bo'lganligi sababli fe'lni uchinchi shaklidan foydalanamiz. Send, uchinchi shakli sent va to be ni hozirgi zamon shakli is sent. Bu yerda is emailga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Bitta email u, o'shaning uchun the email is sent to the owner. The email is sent to the owner. Menga onlayn do'konning linkini yubor. Send me the link of the online store. Link so'zi ingliz tilida ham, o'zbek tilida ham bir xil yoziladi. Send me the link of the online store. Send me the link of the online store. Ular uni maktabga erta jo'natishdi. They sent him to school early. They sent him to school early. They sent him to school early. U kecha hujjatlarni yuborib qo'ydi. She sent over the documents yesterday. Bu yerda document hujjat yoki dokument degani. Document. She sent over the documents yesterday. She sent over the documents yesterday. Iltimos, hujjatni qaytarib yuboring. Please send back the document. Please send back the document. Please send back the document. Yuboruvchi xatga ismini yozdi. The sender wrote his name on the mail. Bu yerda mail xat degani. Biz oldin emailni email deb o'rgandik. Email degani bu elektron xat degani. Electronic mail. O'shaning uchun email deb yoziladi. Agar u electronic emas, oddiy bo'lsa, u holda mail deb ishlatamiz. Ya'ni qog'oz shaklidagi xat. Xatni ustiga yozdi. O'sha sababdan on the mail. The sender wrote his name on the mail. The sender wrote his name on the mail. Keyingi so'zimiz real. Real bu sifat, haqiqiy, rostakam, asl, real degani. Agar oldiga un qo'shilsa, unreal bu teskari ma'noni bildiradi. Haqiqiy emas, real emas degani. Really bu ravish shakli. Juda haqiqatdan degani. Reality bu ot shakli. Haqiqat yoki real hayot. Realistic bu sifat, realistik degani. Ya'ni haqiqatga asoslangan. Unrealistic bu teskari ma'noni bildiradi. Li qo'shilsa, undan ravish yasaladi. Realistically yoki unrealistically. For real rostdan degani. In reality aslida. Bu hikoya haqiqiymi? Is this story real? Is this story real? Is this story real? U haqiqiy do'st. He is a real friend. He is a real friend. He is a real friend. Bu film juda qiziqarli. This movie is really interesting. Bu yerda really juda degani. Very so'zi bilan sinonim. This movie is very interesting yoki this movie is really interesting. This movie is really interesting. Men haqiqatan qattiq ishlab kelyapman. I have been really working hard. Bu yerda I have been working present perfect continuous ishlatildi. Chunki shu paytgacha ishlab kelyapman. Ya'ni ish harakatga urg'u berilyapti, natijasiga emas. I have been really working hard. I've been really working hard. U haqiqatni tan olishi kerak. Ya'ni yuzlashishi kerak deb tarjima qiling. He needs to face reality. Bu yerda to face yuzlashmoq degani. Reality bilan ishlatilsa to face reality bu haqiqatni tan olmoq degani. He needs to face reality. He needs to face reality. Uning orzusi haqiqatga aylandi. His dream turned into reality. Bu yerda turn into oldin o'rganganmiz ga aylanmoq degan. His dream turned into reality. His dream turned into reality. Aslida bu sen o'ylaganingdan qiyinroq. In reality, it's more difficult than you think. In reality bu yerda aslida deb tarjima qilinadi. In reality, it's more difficult than you think. In reality, it's more difficult than you think. Bizga realistik maqsad kerak. We need a realistic goal. We need a realistic goal. We need a realistic goal. Realistik qaraganda bu oylab vaqt oladi. Realistically, this will take months. Realistically, this will take months. Realistically, this will take months. Keyingi so'zimiz sea. Dengiz degani. Sea. Dengiz so'zi ko'rmoq so'zi bilan bir xil talaffuz qilinadi. Ikkalovi ham sea. Faqat yozilishiga e'tibor beramiz. Dengiz so'zida a yozildi. Ko'rmoq so'zida ikkita i harfi yozildi. Sea. Seaside dengiz bo'yi degani. Biz side so'zini bilamiz, yoni. Seaside birgalikda dengiz bo'yi. Sea water bu dengiz suvi degani. Seaside va sea water so'zlari qo'shib yoziladi, ya'ni bitta so'z. By the sea bu dengiz bo'yida degani. At sea yoki in the sea bu dengizda. At sea bilan in the sea ni ma'nosida farqi bor. Agar at sea deb ishlatsangiz, unda o'sha narsa dengizda, ya'ni suvni ichida emas, lekin dengizda degani. Ko'pincha kemadagi narsalarga nisbatan at sea deb ishlatamiz. In the sea bu aynan dengiz suvni ichida. Cho'milgan payti yoki baliqlarga nisbatan in the sea deb ishlatamiz. Biz dengiz bo'yida sayr qildik. We walked along the sea. Dengiz so'zi bilan yana bir qo'shimcha ma'lumot, ya'ni the articlening ishlatilishi. Ko'pincha dengiz deb gapirganimizda shu yaqin atrofdagi bitta dengiz haqida gapiramiz. O'shaning uchun the sea aynan o'sha dengizga nisbatan ishlatilyapti. We walked along the sea. Qaysi dengiz? Shu yaqin atrofdagi. We walked along the sea. Bolalar dengizda o'ynashdi. The children played in the sea. Bu yerda dengizda, ya'ni suvni ichida, in the sea. The children played in the sea. The children played in the sea. Ular dengiz bo'yida yashaydilar. They live by the sea. They live by the sea. They live by the sea. Dengizdan kelgan shamol juda kuchli edi. The wind from the sea was very strong. The wind from the sea was very strong. The wind from the sea was very strong. Ular dengizda 2 hafta bo'lishdi. E'tibor beramiz, ular dengizda, ya'ni suvning ichida emas, albatta, ya'ni kemada ma'nosida. They have been at sea for 2 weeks. Ya'ni bu yerda yaqinda bo'lgan voqea sababli have been ishlatildi. Ya'ni bo'lib kelishdi. Ular hozir dengizda emas, uydalar. O'shaning uchun bu yerda present perfect ishlatildi. They have been at sea for 2 weeks. They have been at sea for 2 weeks. Biz safar davomida quruqlikda va dengizda sayohat qildik. We traveled on land and sea during our journey. Bu yerda on land and sea quruqlikda va dengizda degani. Bu iborani yodlab qo'yamiz. On land and sea. We traveled on land and sea during our journey. We traveled on land and sea during our journey. Qora dengiz Turkiyaga yaqin. The Black Sea is close to Turkey. Bu yerda Qora dengiz so'zma-so'z tarjima qilindi. The Black Sea. Dengiz nomlari bilan har doim the artikli ishlatiladi. Black Sea emas, balki the Black Sea. Turkey bu yerda Turkiya degani. Yaqindan beri Turkiya o'zini ingliz tilida ham Turkiya deb aytilishini so'radi. Ya'ni oldin hamma Turkey desa, hozirgi kunda odamlar almashtirib Turkey yoki Turkiya deb ingliz tilida ishlatishi mumkin. Turkey so'zi kurka degan ma'noni ham bildiradi, ya'ni qushning nomi. O'shaning uchun Turkiya Turkey emas, Turkiya so'zini ko'proq ma'qul ko'radi. The Black Sea is close to Turkey. The Black Sea is close to Turkey. Qizil dengiz tiniq suvi bilan mashhur. The Red Sea is famous for its clear water. Bu yerda ham Red Sea, Qizil dengiz so'zma-so'z tarjima qilindi. The Red Sea. The Red Sea is famous for its clear water. The Red Sea is famous for its clear water. Ko'p sayyohlar O'rta Yer dengiziga tashrif buyurishgan. Many tourists have visited the Mediterranean Sea. Bu yerda tourists sayyohlar yoki turistlar degani. Tourists have visited present perfect ishlatildi, ya'ni shu paytgacha degan ma'noda. O'rta Yer dengizining nomi ingliz tilida The Mediterranean Sea. Bu yerda Mediterranean yerni o'rtasida deb tarjima qilinadi so'zma-so'z. Many tourists have visited the Mediterranean Sea. Many tourists have visited the Mediterranean Sea. Biz dengiz bo'yidagi mehmonxonada qoldik. We stayed in a seaside hotel. We stayed in a seaside hotel. We stayed in a seaside hotel. Quyoshda dengiz suvi tiniq ko'rinadi. The seawater looks clear in the sun. Quyoshda yoki quyosh nuri ostida deganimizda in the sun deb ishlatiladi. Ya'ni bu quyosh ichida emas, balki quyosh nuri ostida degani. The seawater looks clear in the sun. The seawater looks clear in the sun. Keyingi so'zimiz present. Present ot bo'lsa, bu sovg'a degani. Agar sifat bo'lib ishlatilsa, hozirga taalluqli degani. Hozirgi vaqt ham present deb nomlanadi. Shundan present simple so'zi kelib chiqadi. Ya'ni biza present simple yoki present simple tense, present tense buni hammasi grammatikada hozirgi zamon degani. Present e'tibor beramiz, yozilishi bir xil, lekin talaffuz qilinganda present emas, balki present deb talaffuz qilinadi. Bu taqdim etmoq, ko'rsatmoq degani. Xuddi shu so'zdan presentation, ya'ni prezentatsiya, taqdimot so'zi kelib chiqadi. Demak, present sovg'a yoki hozirgi vaqt. Present bu taqdim etmoq, ko'rsatmoq. Presentation taqdimot. Present time bu hozirgi vaqt degani. Birthday present tug'ilgan kun sovg'asi. Agar be so'zi bilan ishlatilsa, be present bu o'sha joyda bo'lmoq degani. Ya'ni be there deb ham tarjima qilinishi mumkin. At present, now so'zi bilan sinonim, hozir. Men hozirgi vaqtda bandman. I'm busy at the present time. I'm busy at the present time. I'm busy at the present time. Present time bu vaqt bo'lganligi sababli at predlogidan foydalanildi. Vaqtlar bilan biz bilamizki at so'zidan foydalanamiz. Biz hozirgi zamonni o'rganayapmiz. Ya'ni grammatikadan ma'nosida. We are studying the present tense. Bu yerda tense zamon degani. Present tense hozirgi zamon. We are studying the present tense. We are studying the present tense. Hozir biz loyiha ustida ishlayapmiz. At present, we are working on the project. Bu yerda at present now so'zi bilan almashtirilishi mumkin. Now we are working on the project. At present, we are working on the project. Men xotinim uchun sovg'a sotib oldim. I bought a present for my wife. I bought a present for my wife. I bought a present for my wife. U menga tug'ilgan kun sovg'asi berdi. She gave me a birthday present. She gave me a birthday present. She gave me a birthday present. U rejani taqdim etadi. Ya'ni kelasi zamonda. He will present the plan. He will present the plan. He will present the plan. Columbia Pictures namoyish etadi. Bu so'zni ko'p kinolarning boshida ko'rgansizlar. Columbia Pictures presents. Columbia Pictures presents. Columbia Pictures presents. U ko'p taqdimotlar qilgan. She has given many presentations. Bu yerda has given, bergan, umuman shu paytgacha bo'lganligi sababli present perfectdan foydalanildi. She has given many presentations. She has given many presentations. U yig'ilishda qatnashdi yoki bor edi. She was present at the meeting. Present so'zi be bilan ishlatilganda bor bo'lmoq, qatnashmoq degani. She was present. U bor edi. She was present at the meeting. Barcha o'quvchilar darsda bo'lishi shart. All students must be present in class. All students must be present in class. All students must be present in class. Bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarimiz ro'yxati. Asosiy so'zlar hotel, motel, inn bu mehmonxona, ya'ni har xil turlari. Send jo'natmoq, yubormoq, sender yuboruvchi. Real haqiqiy, real. Really juda haqiqatdan. Reality real hayot. Sea dengiz. Present hozirgi sovg'a yoki present taqdim etmoq. Bundan tashqari to book, resort, honeymoon, document, mail, roadside, traveler, file, link, seaside, seawater, tourist, presentation so'zlarini ham ko'rib chiqdik. Ushbu hikoyani faqat eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. The bus stopped near a small roadside inn close to the sea. A traveler stepped down, carrying a small bag and the document in his hand. He had already tried to book a room at the larger hotel, but all the rooms were full, so the driver suggested this place instead. Inside, the owner checked the paper and said, "Yes, your name is here." He gave the traveler a key and pointed to a room facing the seaside. The window was open and the sound of seawater came in with the wind. A few minutes later, a mail arrived at the front desk. "This is for you," the owner said. The traveler opened it. Inside was a file with a link for a presentation he had to complete that evening. Before starting his work, he went outside and bought a small present from a nearby shop. He returned to the inn and asked the owner to send it. "Write your name here," the owner said. "You are the sender." By sunset, the room light was on, and the traveler sat at the table, working while the sound of the sea continued outside. Ikkinchi marta o'qiyman, ham o'qib, ham eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. The bus stopped near a small roadside inn close to the sea. A traveler stepped down, carrying a small bag and the document in his hand. He had already tried to book a room at the larger hotel, but all the rooms were full, so the driver suggested this place instead. Inside, the owner checked the paper and said, "Yes, your name is here." He gave the traveler a key and pointed to a room facing the seaside. The window was open and the sound of seawater came in with the wind. A few minutes later, a mail arrived at the front desk. "This is for you," the owner said. The traveler opened it. Inside was a file with a link for a presentation he had to complete that evening. Before starting his work, he went outside and bought a small present from a nearby shop. He returned to the inn and asked the owner to send it. "Write your name here," the owner said. "You are the sender." By sunset, the room light was on, and the traveler sat at the table, working while the sound of the sea continued outside. This is the end of the class. Thank you very much. Goodbye.